Okay, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how the diagonal measuring system works, made by Matrix Measuring Systems. First of all, take off your work holding supports, bring your jaws together, and zero out the machine. You want to hit the X0 on the top display and the bottom. Now the bottom display is your diagonal measurement. What it does is it measures from point to point on your part. Now to pre-program that in, from the center of the pivot pin to pivot pin, that measurement on this particular table is 6-inch, and this is how you pre-program it. You have to hit the y-axis, and it's 6.480, which is stamped on the back of this jaw. And then you hit enter, and that's pre-programmed. And then what you want to do is open up your jaws, place your work holding supports in place, and here's a part that I machined just for this purpose. And now to measure from end to end, now the top display is your end-to-end measurement. The bottom display will be the measurement from corner to corner, diagonal. Now what you want to do there is you want to pull these pins to allow the jaws to pivot. Place your part in like this. Come down with your jaw. And that is your measurement from point to point, at 21.188. Now, if you want to compare to see if the part's square, all you got to do is hit the 0 button on your diagonal display. Now that's 0. Pull it apart and go to your other corner. And that's your other corner. Now I machined this part just to kind of show you that it's within 0.002, but that is a machined square part. Now once you're done with that, pull it apart and you can put this pin back in. You really don't need to put this pin in here because it will find the square by this jaw being square, as you can tell. So you really don't need to put this pin in, but if you want to, you can. And that's how that works.